How to set exchange rate alerts in the Wise app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to get notified when your target exchange rate hits, well, here is how to set up exchange rate alerts in the Wise app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, there you can just tap on the convert tab at the bottom, or you can just tap on any currency that you want to track. So here it's tracking the Indian and the British pound. So here you can choose the currency that you want to send from and the one that you want to receive to. For example, USD to EUR. And here, once you're done with that, you can simply scroll down and there you can just tap on get exchange rate updates on here. And here, once you tap on it, you can just tap on create a new alert on the new page. And after that, you'll be prompted to the page where you see the interface like this. So there you can simply choose your source currency and your target currency. And now here, once you're done selecting the currency, you can just tap on the option that says daily update to toggle it on and the threshold updates. And after that, you can just tap on the text box and there you can simply enter your desired rate. So here I'm going to simply enter my desired rate, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to simply tap on continue. And there on the pop-up page, I'm going to simply toggle on the email notification options and push notification option, and after that I'm going to simply tap on save alert. And after that, Wise will now notify you as soon as that rate is available so you can send money at the perfect time. And that's it. Setting alerts help you to save more when sending money abroad. So with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.